effective the teamwork will successful implementation in the products. I just want you all both to give away your points. The issues, how come you going to rectify the issues in the manufacturing of EV batteries that what we are using in the two-wheelers, using the design thinking approach. Can anyone say what are the 5 stages of design thinking approach?
So, empathy, define, idea, testing, and prototype.
Yeah, good. You just go with your flow. What will you do in the empathy part in the manufacturing of EV battery?
So, first introduction of nowadays so many EV bikes are lasting because of the overcharging and overheating. So we want to develop a battery with 5 steps. First empathy, define, ideate, and prototype. Testing. The introduction was
empathy. Empathy stage is about understanding the needs and pain points of the users. The one-on-one conversation with potential users to gather insights on their needs and preferences.
Good.
And the define was the define stage is about defining the problem statement and identifying the key design parameters. In this section, and there are problem statement and key design and user persona. The problem statement was a clean and concise statement that defines the problem to be solved. And the key design parameters is energy density, power output, safeties, and cost.
So you have done the empathy part and you have identified these are the problems that the end users are facing, whereas there might be the manufacturer or the public who is using this product. So identifying these problems, you just made a brainstorm and you have come up with the so possible solutions that can be given for these problems. Yeah, just go to the next stage.
Ideate stage is about generating innovative ideas for EV battery design and technology. Brainstorm technology. Visual technique for generating and organizing ideas. The technique for generating new ideas by applying different perspective to existing ideas.
So, and then the prototype prototype stage is about developing and testing prototype of EV battery design. In the section that there are prototype development and iterative refinement. In the prototype development, creating a physical prototype of battery design and testing and validating prototyping. And iterative refinement, defining a design and based on feedback from user and testing. Iterating on the design to improve performance, safety, and user experience.
Testing. The test stage is about conducting user testing and feedback session to evaluate the EV battery design. User testing is to conducting user testing and feedback session. We are evaluating the user experience and identifying the area for improvement.
Okay. Is it possible to develop a complete prototype and then go for testing, or is there any other option which is available?
So first we want to visual testing.
Virtual testing.
So there are 3 steps: thermal simulation, crash simulation, and electrical simulation.
Good.
In the thermal simulation, we want to make the thermal simulation check if the battery overheated during the fast charging. The crash simulation is evaluate how the battery passing behave in a side impact
Collisions.
Electrical simulations are test charging and discharging cycles, predicting battery life.
So these are the 3 key factors that you have identified from your empathy part. So you are tackling these 3 tests in the virtual testing. before implementing or developing a prototype. What you have done after that?
So case studies and examples.
So you have gone with the case studies and examples so that it helps to successful implementation of the development. Thank you. This is how we have to do on developing a new product. Just imagine this concept, how the communication will help in developing.
5 stages and there are separate teams. Empathy one team, define one team, and the 5 steps also have separate teams. Separate teams have correct communication and very good communication. So the product were made in the
Good. This is how the teamwork helps in developing a new product. Thank you.